Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we're going to take a look at this 1969 Oldsmobile 442. What a rock star of a car this is, completely frame off, restored, and finished beautifully. If you have questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. If you have questions, just give us a call. And we're going to take a look at this 1969 Oldsmobile 442. What an awesome car this is right here. Upgraded to a 455, 4-speed, 12-bolt. And look at that down there. We got Ram Air on this car. Brand new wheels and tires. Just absolutely gorgeous car right here. It is a true 442 car. And it is an M code in the VIN, which means it was born in Michigan. To the best of our knowledge, it looks like that it was a W30 car. It does have the package on it. So we're gonna take a look at it. First, we'll take a look at the beautiful interior that it's got here. Really, really looks good. Look at that interior. Oldsmobile really knew how to build it back in the day. 4-speed, all the back seat looks great. Really, really nice and clean. Just really, really nice. Really looks good there. Show you the doors here. All the doors look to be in great condition. Really, really looks good. Shut the door here. We'll take a look inside the trunk. Inside the trunk, it's all finished with the spare tire and the jack equipment. Let me get it open. There we go. It's got the spare tire, jack equipment. It's got all the stickers. The under hood or trunk light works. Original style spare tire to match the rest, with the same kind of tire. Really, really nice. All underneath of the mat. Looks good. It's all splattered painted and really looks nice. So put that back there. I'm gonna shut the trunk here, and we're gonna start it up and see how it sounds. Really sounds good. Just a super, super beautiful car. Paint and body work is excellent on the car. Just really, really looks good. Really, just superb car. Completely frame off, restored with documents to prove it. I have all the documentation to the car. And just like I said, absolutely gorgeous. Oldsmobile probably built the best quality cars from GM, but it is just super nice. It's got the tack in the dash, all the gauges. Really just a superb car. Radio works. Really, really, really nice. Shut the door here. I'll take a look underneath the hood. Like I said, underneath the hood, it's been upgraded to a 455. Power steering, power disc brakes. It does have drill and slotted rotor disc brakes, which is a big upgrade for these cars. It's got that Ram Air that is just too cool. One of a kind for Oldsmobile. Just really, really nice. Original, real AC Delco battery. Those don't come cheap. We're gonna shut the hood here. I'm gonna have Greg help me just a little bit, because these hoods are heavy and don't wanna cause any trouble. Oh, let me show you the tag here, just so everybody knows. Show you that. There you go. And we're going to shut the hood here and take one more quick look at the 1969 Oldsmobile 442. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. If you have any questions, just give us a call, but we're going to take this beautiful Oldsmobile for a test drive and see how she does. All right, we're going to take this 1969 Oldsmobile 442 for a test drive and see how it does. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to be driving classic cars. take this car on a test drive and see how it does. The radio works. Unfortunately, due to YouTube, I cannot show you due to copyright purposes, but if you'd like a video of the radio working, just give me a call. Be glad to get that for you and text that to you or email. Already getting thumbs up here. Here we go. Nice car. Runs and drives great. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running driving car. We're going to turn around and head back here. Like I do every time, I'm going to have Greg get on it just a little bit. We'll see what this Oldsmobile's made of. Got a little bit of traffic coming, and as soon as it clears out, we'll be ready to go. All right, here we go. Car's got awesome power, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running driving car. We are almost back here. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing, but we're going to show you what this car looks like underneath, and here's the underneath.